Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial of Pix. So today I'm going to show you how you can add a column to your stripping website. So I opened the editor of one of my site. So as you can see, this is a strip, and if you want to add a column, just click on this layout and add a column. That's it. You can see it has been divided into two, and you can see there are two columns, basically column one, column two. So what if you want to add another one? Just click on manage columns and add one. And what if you want to delete? As you can see, there are one, two, three. So whichever you want to delete, let's say you want to delete the third one, then click on delete. And it will get deleted. Basically, we'll try again. Yeah. And if you want to duplicate it, you can see, can do like this. And again, you can delete it. Yes. So this is how you can do it. And in another video, I will show you how you can manage the width of these columns. You can, as you can see, this is kind of equal, 50% here and 50% here of the total screen size. So we can see this is divided between two. The one strip is divided between two columns. But I will show you how you can give this the width, customized width of, let's say we want to increase the width of this and keep the width of this lower. We can do that. So I will show you it in the next video. So stay tuned for it. I hope you understood this. Thank you.